Microsoft Teams is one of the excellent business collaboration platforms used by most professionals. But if you would like to ask someone directly to join a team without receiving any join request, watch this video to learn how. Now, if you're a Teams channel owner, you can generate a code for others to join in, and you can use this code as many times as you want. So to access it, launch your Microsoft Teams on your device and open the Teams channel you would like to share. Then, click on these three dots or more options and select Manage Team. After that, click Settings, expand the team code, then select Generate to prompt the team code, and you could share this with others to join the targeted team by clicking Copy. You can also reset or remove the generated code if you would like. And that's how to generate Teams code that you can share in Microsoft Teams. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.